The way we're applying the product and melding the generator and the motor together and the technology that's used there is a significant advantage. Seeing how they're applying the technology to get the energy efficiency required that these products will provide, and then putting it in an application in something like a school bus or a truck that can bring great efficiency savings to a customer is pretty exciting, because it's pretty significant. Could be 20 to 40% improvement in their operating costs. You're looking at operating cost savings, lightweight compared to what's currently used in the trucks today. That impact is going to have fuel efficiency importance with the cost of fossil fuels and gasoline and such today, however or electricity, whatever it might be. A product like this could save a significant amount of operating dollars. Once they see the benefits of this technology, I think it'll circumvent the entire market. There are nothing that I know of in technology that compares to this kind of an improvement that you can get. So they're either going to license this kind of product and look for us to be partners with them as well, or they're going to try the not invented here approach of coming up with something that they think is similar but probably won't have the ability to have the same performance. There's a very unique team that's been formed here to do the product process that we have, in that you have people who are familiar with the automotive industry and trucking. You've got people who are generator experts, gearboxes and things of that nature, and electronics, software and hardware that have been put together as a team. So there are probably some companies around the world that are large enough that have this expertise that could do that. But again, they're way behind in the learning curve here. And if we can get the product out in place, I think the barrier to entry is going to be more difficult. Once it gets, the prototypes are in place and people see how the operation is, it's going to generate an interest, I believe, for additional orders of the product line. And I think once competitors see that this product's in the marketplace, the demand for it is going to just exponentially grow. You do two things with this product. Either you can improve your efficiency and operating costs, or you can get the same kind of power with a smaller machine, so your initial costs are lower. These motors, they get huge. I mean, I can recall in the manufacturing plants that I had, they look like spaceships or rockets. They're so large, and 9,600 frame and so on. And when you get into those size of products, in order to cool them, you've got to put an air conditioning system on them or cool them with water or something. So these become huge components at very high cost. A system like this eliminates all that. And you look at the footprint. One, is much smaller. Two, the performance is even higher. You're providing a heat sink here that can improve the efficiency of the unit anywhere from, let's say, 15 to 40%, depending on the size and the application and the particular design you're starting with. For a manufacturer today, they don't have this technology. And what they can do is they can change the copper windings, they can change the amount of active material that they have, which could be the stator, the type of steel they're using in the electrical lamination steel and so forth. But those are all minor things. They're not this kind of, let's say, a leapfrogging approach to efficiency improvement. So in an industry that's fighting over pennies and nickels, more so pennies, this technology could have a huge impact, either on, like I said, an initial cost, because you can downsize the unit and get the same power, or you can keep the same size maybe and improve the efficiency by that much in the marketplace. So this is a game changer. This industry hasn't had a whole lot of, let's say, quantum leap changes in the marketplace, and sometimes this product could be it. And as a motor guy, 45 years in the industry, it kind of excites me to see something that has this kind of potential. I don't have any concerns technically with the product at all. We have approached a number of motor manufacturers, generator manufacturers. They all have an interest in this product. There's been no one who's pushed back.